What's up everybody? We've got a fiberglass crack here on a bench that I'm going to go ahead and take care of. It's already got a little bit of resin on from a previous repair, so I'm just going to go ahead and start off by sanding it with some 120 sandpaper just to kind of smoothen it out, take away any rough spots from the previous resin patch, but I'm going to use it as a backing since it's pretty solid. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to sand it out, then get ready to put on some Bondo. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready to add some Bondo glass. The area is pretty secure. It's not too weak. It's more of an eyesore than anything. But I'm going to go ahead and use the Bondo glass to add some short strand haired reinforcement before I go ahead and spray on the primer and the top coat. All right, now that it's all sanded down, cleaned up, I'm gonna go ahead and spray on some Zinsser primer. Like I said, usually Zinsser I'm not gonna use as much on professional grade full tub refinishing, but for spot repairs, I have no problem using it. Some will say, oh, it's not made for water, what have you, but I've used it for years and have not had issues. Trust me, when you use something new and you get callbacks, that's a good indicator on not using it again, but I have not had that issue with the Zinsser primer. So for the spot repairs. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use Rust-Oleum Shell White, which matches the off-white color of the fiberglass units, pretty much the closest for anything over the counter. It stands up great to the water. Like I said, this is another product where some might say don't use it, it's not made for it, but from years of experience this works really well and I have not had issues. In fact, it color matches better than most actual refinishing products that you'd get directly from refinishing supplier manufacturers. So there you have it. There's a fiberglass crack repair for you. If you have any questions, make sure to leave comments down below or DM me over on Instagram. Also, remember, if you're a professional reglazer and you're looking to get started, you're looking to see how to make more money, start your business, continue to grow your business, or even if you have technical questions, I'm always available for Zoom coaching, 30-minute, 1 hour, hour and a half sessions. Go ahead and DM me over on Instagram or email me and inquire about pricing. And I'm looking forward to helping you out.